adding a filter in the report of the Looker Studio is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be telling you how you guys can do it. And I will be providing a link to the Looker Studio in the description below so you guys can check it out. All you have to do is to create a report, and in the report, there will be a filter bar on the right side of the page, and just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, there will be a add quick filter option right above your report. Just simply go ahead and click on that, and you can simply filter out all your data according to the report that you have, according to the data source you have. For example, you guys can select between country code, date, external video ID. For example, for me, I'm just looking for on the YouTube data. So I can filter out by using these four different sort of columns. So if I click on this one, and I can simply use different sort of filter and I just gonna go ahead and click on apply option, and that way the filter will be applied. So this is how I can do it, and this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.